Okay, on this 2011 Dodge Durango, the car won't start because of the shifter is off. Okay, turn my key on, and you can see it's on reverse. Even it should be on parking, so I push the brake and it won't go. Okay. Oh, you see the lever right there. When it's on parking, when you push the brake, the solenoid pushes it down. But in this case, it's in reverse, so that's why it's just stuck on parking. It won't come out of park. So if you press and hold it down, now you can. You press and hold it. I'm trying to do this one hand. No, okay. Okay, now it's in neutral. I can start the car now. Okay. Put it back on. Parking. Still stuck again. Okay. You don't have to remove the knob for the shifter, but just in case you need to for any reason, I'm gonna show you how to replace it too, which is very simple. Yeah, there's a metal clip right there. Just pull it out of there. Now you can. Put it back on, man. Okay, don't forget to put your parking brake on, because remember the car's on reverse right now. So I'm just gonna pull gently here, and then you can see it's gonna start coming out. Okay, those two clips. That's the one you want to get out, and then after that, you're gonna push down on it. Not out. Okay, you're gonna push down. Now you can get this out of the way. Okay, there's the guy right there. That's a 9mm. Okay. You loosen it. We lose it. We don't take it off, and then now you can mess with this wire, with this cable right here. Okay. You can either go. I think in this case I have to. Yeah, there you go. I have to go forward. I have to go that way with it. Okay, that's parking now. Okay. What I do, I'm just gonna come and pull and hold, pull it this way, and hold it while I use my other hand to tighten it. So I'm gonna have to put my phone down a little bit. Hopefully you can see it. tight. Let's see if it'll work. Let's reverse, neutral, and drive. Okay. It's neutral. It's reverse. And that's parking. Okay. So seems to be it, guys. Usually what it does, that one holds a cable, and just over time it kind of comes loose a little bit, and the cable just slides over a little bit, which it's a little bit, but it's enough to make it fail. Okay, don't put this panel yet until you make sure that it's working properly. Like just mess with this cable until you get it figured out. Mess with the cable, either pull it this way or forward, either way, until it's working properly.